a 10-kilometre run from Aust in South Gloucestershire, across the Severn Bridge to Wales and back again. We are in Aust in South Gloucestershire, and today I'm going to run across the Severn Bridge to Wales. Well, run there and back. It's about a 10-kilometre loop. So let's go. Just approaching the roundabout that leads on and off of the M48. We're going to cross over here, round past the services, and that's where we pick up the path that goes alongside the bridge. My intention today was to head across the north side of the bridge first, the footpath cycle trail on the north side, but as you can see this is closed, so we're now going to head on to the south side and we'll have to go there and back the same way. On the right hand side there you have the path along the north side of the bridge. I'm currently on the overpass, the footpath where the tolls used to be, and just up there it's the service station. It's quite windy here now, wind's coming straight up the channel, and behind me over there, make out the second Severn crossing. Just come off the exit ramp, which is just behind me there, and then this is the tunnel that goes under the M48 to the other side to access the path on the other side. So back I go, exactly the same way, a couple hundred metres back up onto the bridge, and then all the way back across the bridge back to Aust. This might not be everyone's idea of an enjoyable run alongside a motorway, but it's interesting and I've actually quite enjoyed it.